Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you about airdrops, and that is because I have spent a significant amount of time coming up with a good schedule for sending airdrops. You can see that my account balance right now on one of my accounts is just over 3,000 deposits, 3,000 DRIP tokens. That means I am earning over 30 DRIP tokens every single 24 hours. And while I haven't been the best at sending airdrops in the past, I have set up a website and a schedule so that you know when airdrops are coming and whether or not you will qualify. So let's jump over to that website. I will be sending an airdrop today. That is why I'm making a video today and posting it this morning. So let's take a look at the website that you will need to look at to make sure that you qualify for an airdrop. Every month, I will be sending out 2 airdrops per team. I have 2 teams, so that will be 4 airdrops every month. There are plenty of opportunities to qualify, and if for some reason you don't qualify for this month's airdrop, don't worry, keep on coming to your website, click on hydrate every day, keep on growing your deposits amount. If you want to deposit more, just know that as you continue to hydrate, your amounts will grow and you'll potentially qualify for one of these airdrops. If you haven't joined one of the DRIP teams yet, and you clicked on one of these links and you're not quite sure what to do, there is a website that I created. Click on this link here, and you can go right to the Getting Started tab, and there are some tutorials on how to get started. I've tried to make it as simple and easy to get started as possible. However, if you have joined one of my teams already, but you're not quite sure which team you are on, it's a really simple method to do this. Come down here. I have entered in my wallet addresses for both teams. This is team 1 and this is team 2. All you need to do is have a copy of your wallet address. You can copy it, say you're in MetaMask on your desktop. You can come up here and click right here to copy it, or if you have it on a different team, let's say it's this one, just copy this address right here. But once you've copied the address, click on this link right here for this website, or you can click on this image, or you can come all the way to the bottom and click on View My DRIP Balance. A new tab will open and you will be presented with a text field. All you need to do is paste in your wallet address here and click Save List. From here, scroll down and on the left-hand side, click this URL here. It's attached to your wallet address. On this wallet upline page, this will show your address and this will show the address of the person that referred you to DRIP. This address right here will determine which team you are on. This is either going to show this number or this number if you are on one of my teams. If it doesn't show either one of these numbers, then you are not on either one of my teams and you won't qualify for an airdrop unless you decide to come up here and join one of these teams using a new wallet. Now for DRIP team number 1, the general member, which goes out on the 1st of each month, means that in order to qualify, your deposits balance must be at least 250 DRIP tokens. If you're on DRIP team number 2, you only need to have 100 DRIP tokens in your deposits. The reason for this is there will be a larger airdrop sent for team number 1 because I have more to send on that account. Whereas team number 2, it's got a smaller amount, so you don't need as much DRIP in your deposits to qualify for that. Both of these team leader airdrops, though, are the same in that on the 15th of every month, if you want to qualify for this airdrop, you need at least 5 direct referrals, 1 downline, and 500 plus in deposits. But please note if that you have 1 wallet and then you've referred yourself with 10 other wallets, you are not going to qualify for this airdrop. These team leader airdrops are going to people who are referring people, let's say their mom, their dad, their brother, sister, aunt, uncle, whatever. They have at least 5 people that they've referred. These are not their own wallets. These are 5 different people or more. And they only have 1 downline and 500 in their deposits. What that looks like is this. Let's go back to this website, and I'll go back to the home screen. And you can see here I've got my wallet added here. Over on the right-hand side, though, we have this team column. Let's go ahead and click on this link. Here you can see all of the addresses that I have referred. All of the ones that have a number next to them are my immediate downline. They are my very first downline, And you can actually view that if you want to go to the DRIP website, connect your wallet, and scroll down on the faucet page. Under the Team Viewer tab, you can see this is my wallet here, and this is my immediate downline. This is one downline. This right here, this column, is the second downline. This is the third, and this is the fourth. So if you want to qualify for that team leader airdrop, in this column here, your very first downline, you need at least 5 direct referrals, and they cannot be your own wallet. Plus, you have to have at least 500 DRIP tokens in your deposits. The reason the number for team leader is higher is because team leaders are eligible to receive referral deposit bonuses. So your deposits should be higher than someone who is just getting started today and makes a deposit of 50 DRIP tokens. Make sure to read these and understand these if you want to qualify for either of these rewards. Now, I apologize that I have not been very good at keeping a constant or consistent schedule, but I have come up with a good plan. At least it's a plan that I'm going to stick with from here on out until my wallets end or they close, which will take a while. So here you can see I've got links to DRIP team number 1 and team number 2. If you want to join, you can click either one of these links. But you can see the previous airdrops that I have sent. I sent an airdrop this morning, and this is what I sent today. We've got 55 qualifying members on my team 1 and 28 qualifying members on team 2. But there is a dramatic difference here. Team number 1, with the 250 DRIP tokens in their deposits, split 27 DRIP tokens and across 55 people. That means that every single person that qualified got around 0.47 or 49 DRIP tokens. In the team number 2, there were 28 qualifying members, but they split 5.49 DRIP tokens. That's because in my available balance on this second account, I don't have as much, so I don't have as much to airdrop. You can see that in both of these, I have spent around $175 today and an extra $30 or so in BNB fees. So I've spent around $200 for this very first airdrop on November 1st. Going forward, the number here will get higher and higher because I will continue to come here and hydrate, compound, build my deposits balance up, and over time, as my deposits balance grows and gets higher and higher and higher, this number will reach around 150 DRIP tokens or something like that at the most. So just make sure that if you want to figure out if you're going to qualify for an airdrop, there is always time. So just because your amount right now, let's say you want to qualify for that general member, let's say your deposits balance says 225 DRIP tokens here. Well, if you continue to compound every single day, you will get up to 250 and you will qualify for the general member airdrop. Same goes with the team leaders. Let's say you've only referred 3 people. As of today, November 1st, you have 14 days to get just a couple more people in your direct referral in your one downline in order to qualify for this. Make sure you have 500 or more in your DRIP deposits. So hopefully this makes sense. Make sure to come to this website and read over all the instructions. If you want to qualify, make sure you read all this information here. It's really not that much. Just make sure you have a certain number in your DRIP deposits balance if you want to qualify for either one of the general members. And it goes out on the 1st of every month. The 15th of every month goes the team leader airdrop, and everything else that you need to know is listed here. I will stay up to date with this so that you see all of the airdrops that I'm sending. If you have friends that you want to promote or send to DRIP, but you don't feel like building out a team, feel free to send them to one of my teams. I would be happy to send them an airdrop as well. If you have any questions, at the very bottom of this website, I've got my Telegram group here. And if you do join one of my DRIP teams, you also are eligible to join the Cryptozoa Telegram group. And that is really all there is to it. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, give it a like, subscribe to my channel. I will be making videos every time I send an airdrop. So stay tuned for that, and thank you again for joining my team and watching this video.